ಸೊಗಸುಗ ಮೃದಂಗ ತಾಳಮೋ ಜತ ಕೂರ್ಚಿ ನಿನ್ನೋ ಸೊಕ್ಕಜೆಯುದೇರುಡವಡೋ ದೀರುಡವಡೋ ಜತ ಕೂರ್ಚಿ ನಿನ್ನೋ ಸೊಗಸುಗ ಮೃದಂಗ ತಾಳಮೋ ಮೃದಂಗ ತಾಳಮೋ. Who is the valiant one who enchants us with the pleasurable playing of mridangam and harmonizing it with the beauty of talam, says Tyagaraja in this beautiful composition. In this video, let us try to understand the 7 major talas of Carnatic music. In Carnatic music, the foundation is laid by 1. Melody, 2. Rhythm. While ragam represents the aspect of melody, the aspect of rhythm is represented by talam. The talam represents the dimension of time in Carnatic music. So it is a measure of musical time. What a meter is for poetry, talam is for music. The concept of talam is already discussed by me in a previous video. I'll put the link in the description below, but quickly I'll just tell you. Talam is a cyclic repetition of a certain rhythm pattern. Say, take a rhythm, takitta takka dimmi. Now if I repeat this cyclically, takitta takka dimmi, takitta takka dimmi, takitta takka dimmi, takitta takka dimmi. This cyclic repetition is represented by a talam. Take a song. Pakala nilavadi goliche moochada. This song falls in this cyclic rhythm pattern. See, takitta takka dimmi, takitta takka dimmi. Pakala nilavadi goliche moochada bagadal parada. So this cyclic repetition of certain rhythm is represented by a talam for any music, for any composition. There are several talas in Carnatic music. There are several classifications of talas, like the 108 tala scheme consisting of the Margi talas, the Deshi talas, the 72 Melakarta tala scheme, the Chapu talas. But the most in vogue tala system is the Shuladi Saptatala scheme, which is ascribed to Sri Purandaradasa. The Shuladi Saptatala, as the name suggests, has 7 talas, Saptatalas, and each of these 7 major talas consist of a family of talas under them. Just like different parts like head, hands, abdomen, legs come together to form a human body, a tala is formed by different parts, or angas as in music terminology. So when these angas come together, combine together in different combinations, they form 7 different talas. In order to understand the 7 talas or the sapta talas, we must first understand the angas or the actions that constitute the parts of these 7 talas. So what are the angas? What are the actions that we use? There are 6 different actions called the Shad Angas popularly. The first angam, the first action being Lagu. This action Lagu is performed by beating and counting of fingers. Beating, counting of fingers is called Lagu. This Lagu can have 5 different varieties according to the number of beats it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, a Lagu with 3 beats like this. 1, 2, 3. Then Lagu with 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a Lagu with 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Lagu with 7 beats. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally, Lagu with 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the varieties or jatis as in music terminology of Lagu. Jatis of Lagu are 5. Lagu with 3 counts, Tisra Jati Lagu. Lagu with 4 count, Chaturashra Jati Lagu. Lagu with 5 counts, Khanda Jati Lagu. 7 count, Mishra Jati Lagu. 9 counts, Sankirna Jati Lagu. also the lagu is notated by a vertical line. This vertical line in notation, music notation, represents a lagu, and the jati of lagu is represented as a suffix after this vertical line. When I'm using a tisra jati lagu, then I notate it like one vertical line with a 3 suffix, or if it's a sankirna jati lagu, it's a vertical line with a 9 suffix, and so on and so forth. The next angam, the next action is dhrutam, and this action is performed by a beat of a hand and turning. So beat and a turn or a wave constitutes the dhrutam. Beat and turn. It doesn't have any varieties, no complications there. So this dhrutam is represented by a circle in notation. Beating and turning is dhrutam. The next angam or the action is anudhrutam. Like the name suggests, anudhrutam is actually half of dhrutam. So if dhrutam is beating and turning of hand, then anudhrutam will be half of that, which is only the beat. So anudhrutam consists only of the beat. One beat means anudhrutam. It also doesn't have any varieties, and the notation of anudhrutam is a U or half a circle facing upwards. There are 3 more angas in the Shadangas, but only the lagu, dhrutam and anudhrutam, these 3 angas combine together to form the 7 different talas. The next 3 angas don't come into use in the Shuladi Sapta talas, so we'll see about them later. Another concept in talam is aksharam. Aksharam represents the count of an angam or a talam. Take the angam lagu. The number of counts in lagu can be 3, a count of 3. So there can be a lagu with 3 aksharas, lagu with 4 aksharas, lagu with 5, lagu with 7 aksharas, lagu with 9 aksharas, just like how we saw the jatis before. So the aksharas in lagu can be of 5 varieties: 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. In case of dhrutam, it is just a beat and a turn. So it will be 1, 2. So total number of counts in dhrutam, or total number of aksharas in dhrutam, is just 2 and it's constant. And in anudhrutam, the total number of counts or aksharas, it will be just, because there is only one beat, the aksharam in anudhrutam is just 1. So just know that the count in a talam is represented by the term aksharam. That we know about the angas or actions that form the talas and the aksharas or the counts in a tala. Let us go for the sapta talas. The first of the sapta tala is the dhruva tala. Like I said before, different angas combine together to form different talas. Let's see what are the angas that constitute dhruva tala. Dhruva tala consists of first a lagu. Now that is represented by a vertical line, if you remember, followed by a dhrutam, a circle, again followed by a lagu, one more lagu is following that. So lagu, dhrutam, lagu, lagu, in that order forms the dhruva talam. So when I say a talam with a lagu, consisting of a lagu, so it means by default I'm using chaturashra jati lagu. That is the default jati variety of lagu that I'm using in a talam. So let me put the suffix then. Chaturashra jati lagu has a suffix 4, right? Everywhere, wherever I'm using that lagu. So the action, the talam, let me show you the talam. Lagu, dhritam, lagu, lagu. So that is dhruva talam for you. Now let me also tell you how do you calculate the total number of aksharas for this talam. Let us do the math. So first we have 4 counts lagu, yes, plus dhrutam, which has 2 counts or 2 aksharas. Then we again have a lagu which has 4 counts or 4 aksharas. Finally one more lagu having 4 counts. So the total number of counts or aksharas for this talam is 14. This is dhruva talam with lagu jati 4. So chaturashra jati dhruva talam is what we call this as. One more thing is that, so according to the jati of the lagu, we can have different types of Dhruva-talam. So the default Jati Lagu is Chaturashra Jati Lagu, right? So we can have Tisra Jati Lagu Dhruva-talam, again Kanda Jati Lagu Dhruva-talam. So we have 5 different Jatis of Lagu, right? So 5 different Dhruva-talas we can have in this family itself. Tisra, Kanda, Chaturashra is already mentioned, Mishra and Sankirna. Jatis of Dhruva-tala, 5 different Dhruva-talas we have. Composition in Dhruva-talam is the Navagraha Kriti by Swami Dikshitar. Surya Murte Namostute. The next of the Saptatalas is the Matya-tala. Matya-tala consists of Lagu, Dhrutam and a Lagu. 3 Akas. So let me do the action for the Matya Talam. Let me do the Talam. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the Lagu, 1, 2 for the Dhrutam, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the final Lagu. So that is Matya Talam. For this, the total number of Aksharas will be 4 plus 2 plus 4 will be 10 Aksharas. So again, according to the Jati of the Lagu, we can have 5 different Matya Talas, just like how we had in Dhruva-tala. Composition is Chandram Bhajamanasa, again by Srimati Swami Dikshitar. The third of the Saptatala is the Triputa Talam, consisting of 1 Lagu followed by 2 Dhrutas. So for the default Triputa Talam, the number of Aksharas will be 4 plus 2 it is 8. And this Chaturashra Jati Triputa Talam is the popular Adi Talam that we put. It is performed like so: 1, 2, 3, 4 for the Lagu, 1, 2 for the Dhrutam, again 1, 2 for the last Dhrutam. So like before, like the previous Talas, Triputa Tala can have 5 different varieties according to the 5 different Jatis of Lagu. Tisra Triputa Talam, Chaturashra Triputa Talam, Kanda Triputa Talam, Mishra Triputa Talam and Sankirna Triputa Talam, 5 varieties. Composition, any Aditala Kriti. Vatapi Ganapatim Bajeham is an example of Triputa Tala usage. The next of the Saptatalas is the Jampatalam, which consists of a Lagu, an Anudritam and a Dhrutam. Yes. So this is the only one. This is the one and only Thalam of the Saptatalas, which consists of the Anudritam. Any other Talas in the Saptatala system does not have Anudritam. The only Jampatala features Anudritam. So let's count the Aksharas of the default Chaturashra Jati Jampatalam. It will be 4 plus 1 plus 2. So it will be 7. So again, according to the varieties of Lagu, there are 5 different Jampatalas: Tisra, Chaturashra, Mishra, Kanda, Sankirna. So the famous of the 5 Jampatalas, 5 varieties of Jampatala is the Mishra Jati Jampatala. A composition in Jampatalam is Munnu Ravana Vadanor in Todi Ragam by Sri Tyagaraja Swami. Let me show you Mishra Jati Jampatalam in action. Lagu consisting of 7 counts, then Anudritam and then Dhrutam. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again 1 and then 1, 2. Next of the Saptatalas is the Rupaka Talam, consisting of 1 Dhrutam. The first Angam is Dhrutam in this, and then which is followed by a Lagu. That's all, 2 Aggas. So by the default Chaturashra Jati Lagu, we can have totally 6 Aksharas for the Chaturashra Jati Rupaka Talam. Again, we can have 5 different Rupakatalas: Tisra Rupakam, Chaturashra Rupakam, Kanda Rupakam, Mishra Rupakam, Sankirna Rupakam. The most widely used Jati Rupakam is Chaturashra Jati Rupakam, and famous Kriti is Any Rupaka Tala Kriti? Sabapatik Vera Devam Samanamaguma. Let me show you Chaturashra Jati Rupaka Talam. Dhritam Lagu. That is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next talam of the Saptatalas is the Atatalam, which consists of 2 lagus followed by 2 dhritams. So by the default rule we can have 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2, which is 12 aksharas for the Chaturashra Jati Atatalam. Again we can have 5 different varieties of Atatalas: Tishra, Chaturashra, Mishra, Kanda, Sankirna. The most famous of the Atatalas is the Kanda Jati Atatalam. So the Kanda Jati Atatalam, that is lagu having 5 counts. The Atatalam whose lagu has 5 counts. That is the most widely used Atatalam. A composition in Atatalam is the famous Viriboni Varnam. Viriboni. Let me put Kanda Jati Atatalam for you. Lagu, lagu, dhritam, dhritam. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. Next of the Saptatalam is the Ekatalam. The name suggests it has Eka, 1. Only 1 Anga, which is lagu. So we put the default Chaturashra Jati lagu. The total number of aksharas for that will be 4. And again, according to the Jati of the lagu, we can have 5 different Ekatalas: Tisra Ekam, Chaturashra Ekam, Kanda Ekam, Mishra Ekam, Sankirna Ekam. A famous Ekatala Kriti, Tisra Ekatalam Kriti. Chintayamam Kanda Moola Kandam. Sri Dikshita. It's Chaturashra Jati Ekatalam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus, we see that the Suladi Saptatalas consist of 7 major talas: the Dhruvatalam, the Matyatalam, Triputatalam, Jampatalam, Rupakatalam, Atatalam and Ekatalam, each having 5 different varieties, totally giving rise to 7 into 5, 35 talas. I hope that is useful for you.